2:45 in the a.m. 2:45 in the a.m. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Pretty successful night. Like, I don't know, morning. Yeah. Two of those cabinets in. Everything's clamped. Just gonna let it dry. I gotta go get the kids to school. But by the time I get back, I should be able to take those out of clamps, sand them, get them taped off and ready for paint. I gotta shut these lights. If you're an electrician, please message me. I need an electrician. I wasn't sleepy until I got home. Now I could fall asleep. Should I fall asleep for 10 minutes or just stay awake? Is that too bright? Yeah. Okay. We don't need trouble. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Easy.
Did you see what?
Good morning, you big baby. Love you. Have a good day. Kissy kissies. See you, Jordan. Love you. Love you. I've been sanding this forever. I think I'm almost done. I got a couple more little spots. I'm gonna spray it again with primer. Hopefully that'll be it. We're just delivering with primer. I don't have to paint it. So let's get the drawer boxes sprayed, get the drawer front sprayed. thing's going out tomorrow, so gotta keep plugging along, old son. I did it. It's done. First time ever. I popped my DoorDash cherry. Chick-fil-A. It is 2 o'clock. I got here at 2:30 this morning. I got so much to do. Craig's sick again. There's so much crap to do. I just texted the guy we're supposed to deliver to tomorrow. And so now I'm trying. I'm going to do everything I can. So hopefully I can get a little second wind here. I knew if I left the shop to get food, I would have sat in my truck for like an hour because I'd have been exhausted. So DoorDashed it. Let's eat. Every day he's got to race me. And I watch the car. Ah, you're getting so fast. You almost had me today, Jordan. Put it under the bowl. Jack, come on, man. Hey. Dollars under there. Keep your eye on it. You know how to play this game? If you pick the right bowl, you get to keep the money. Huh?
There's no way.
What do you mean?
There's no way.
No way you'll find out which one it is?
There's no way it's in the one I think it is.
Okay. Ah.
Wait a second. Hey,
You picked the wrong one.
That wasn't